guys? Got the Columbia 300 Kaboom Pearl Ball symmetrical. Let's see what this thing does. We're going to stand at 20, pipe it up, try to get it to about 5.
Hey, you there. Yes, you. Like and subscribe for more bowling content.
That was very clean. I liked that a lot. I'm going to move 5 left off that, see what happens. That was pretty good. I liked that. That rolled nice. Kind of struggled to get the 10 out. I think I kind of missed it at the bottom. So I'm going to throw it from the same spot again, see if we can't go dead nut flush. So standing 25. Try to get it out a little bit more. That's pretty good. Trip the 7. Very nice shot. We're going to move 5 left off that, get even more around it. See what happens. Oh, that one didn't come back quite as much. Might have missed it at the bottom again. Let's try it again. Ball's really pretty looking too. My goodness. All right, let's try that again. That was nice. Missed a little left. It held. Kicked out the 5. That was a good shot. We're going to move 5 more left. I really like to test these things, see what they can do, what they can't do. That was nice. That was very nice. That's what I'm looking for out of a pearl ball. We're going to loft the gutter. Oh, that was close. Let's try one more from there because that's such a fun line. That's pretty good. Oh my goodness. Almost sour appled. Come on, man. All right, I mean, clearly that's a lot to ask out of a ball. Pretty fresh. There's quite a bit of oil, especially in the middle of the lane right now. So we're going to stand 35. I liked this part of the lane with it. See what it does. Yeah, I really like that. That roll's good. Very smooth. Very controllable. We're going to move back to the right. We're going to stand 20. It's about as far right as I go on our house shot here. That ball's good. That ball's really good. Wow, this is definitely a sleeper ball. You know, especially for the price, you're getting a pretty good amount of performance out of this. Kind of shades of that ocean vibe, or just clears the front really nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna stand 30 here. Wow, that ball really carries those high flush strikes. That looks good. That looks really good. Throw like 2 more, and we'll call it a video. I really want to get the strike from lofting the gutter, so we're gonna try again. There it is. Yes, I can do it. Got around that one really nice. Throw a couple more. Not from there, but from the good part of the lane. I think, honestly, with this ball right now, standing about 28, will be the right play. Double dribble. Oh, my goodness. Come on. You can't let me have that. Let's throw it again, just for fun. This ball is pretty fun, I have to say. Wow, that is nice. Yeah, it really reminds me of that ocean vibe. Just very clean, very smooth, very controllable. But it packs a punch, hence the name Kaboom. Move to 35, throw a strike and call it a day. Oh, that was so bad. I'm going to pick this up with the Cypher. Woo! Told you. Told you I was going to make it with the Cypher. Throw a good one, call it a day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out.